This is my RC four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering truck that I'm building. It's a mud slinger. Not quite finished with it. I've been working on it for about 2 years. And the front axles are just temporary. Made out of brass tubing, all soldered together. You see, all the way. Tires are off the Team Associated monster truck. Pretty good tires for what I'm going to use them for. You can see there's a 4-link suspension, front and rear. The axles I'm going to use are out of the T-Max or the E-Max, or pretty good axles. It's just temporary. This is just more like a pattern, just to see if they'll work. I'm gonna make whole aluminum solid axle build for these with a 4-link, and it'll be 4-wheel steering and everything. But yeah, I just built that front bumper there. Still working on it till I finish the front axles. It's not going to be driving. Still got a lot of work to do to it, but it's slowly getting there. Alrighty.